Good morning guys! So this is our day 12 out of 365. So for today's session ni Huawei, meron tayo 1 hour aerobic endurance run with 6 sets of 15 seconds na sprint. Medyo malamig yung umaga natin ngayon, pero let's try pa rin tumakbo ng ayos, magpapawis. So don't forget the hashtag run for your life, be healthy and be wealthy. Let's go! First 10 minutes, okay na tayo. So 133 heart rate, 20 minutes. Okay, first 30 minutes done. Our distance 3.72 kilometers. 30 minutes to go. 40 minutes done. 50 minutes, we're done. 150 beats per minute. Last 10 minutes, then all out sprint na tayo. 1 hour tapos na natin. So almost 8 kilometers na tayo para sa workout na to. 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. 15 seconds. So that's our day 12 out of 365. So ito pa rin yung goal natin, makatakbo once a day in a year. Tapos ko na yung 1 hour aerobic endurance run na may 6 sets of 15 second sprint. So I will always reminding, be healthy and be wealthy. Keep smiling. Don't forget the hashtag pa rin, run for your life. Let's go!